Simply put, if you would like to remove text from an image in Adobe Photoshop, let's say we would like to remove the Vogue of this image. As you can see, there's a couple different ways you can do so. Right click on your image and click on rasterize layer. Now click on S on your keyboard and make sure on the left hand screen this is selected clone stamp tool. And simply put, if you want to remove the text, find somewhere in the image that you would like to replace this. Let's say the clouds. Click and hold down Alt on your keyboard and click and drag the left mouse. As you can see, we are now successfully gonna copy this right here and then click on the left cursor on the mouse. As we can see how it's copying here. If you move the right bracket key, it's becoming larger. The left, it's becoming smaller, and do the same exact thing. Click, hold down Alt and drag while you're still holding down Alt. Do the same thing. If you do mess up, just make sure you click somewhere to copy. This is how you can successfully remove text from an image in Adobe Photoshop completely for free. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after completely for free.